Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to add video or GIF as a wallpaper of cover screen on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to leave the settings and then scroll down until you'll find this tab named cover screen. Then after see your current wallpaper, here you'd also notice this button add new. Click on it and on the tab gallery, choose the album in which is your video or GIF located. For example, I have downloaded one video and one GIF. You can choose one by itself or add both. They will change every time that you are checking your cover screen. Then click done. As a next step, we would need to zoom it, how close we want to see the video. And now, if you want to change the second one also, click on this button with two items text, choose the GIF and then zoom it as well, just like this. Also, you are able to change the clock style by clicking on the clock by itself, and here you can choose the clocks and also color for them. This is how it looks. I will leave it like this and then click done. And it's time to check our cover screen. And now let me show you how it looks on our cover screen. If I will wake it up one time, we can see the video that we have added. Now it falls asleep, and the second time I check it, I see the GIF that I added before as well. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your new moving wallpaper on the cover screen. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.